Alright guys, let's continue the second video about open data and Muhammad. And now I want to unlock some value from open data. Open data has the potential to help grow economics, transform societies, and protect our environment. This data can help us in transforming government, building new businesses, opportunities, and also protect our planet. But also we would wonder what makes data open. Data is open if anyone can access, use, and share it. As I said before, there are some simple things to consider when defining openness. For data to be open, it should have no limitations that prevent it from being used in any particular way. Anyone should be free to use, modify, combine, and share the data even commercially. Open data must be free to use, but this doesn't mean that it must be free to access. There is often a cost to creating, maintaining, and publishing usable data. And once a user has the data, they are free to use, reuse, and redistribute it, even commercially. Open data is measured by what it can be used for, not by how it is made available. In last video, I talked about licensing, and I said it's very important, and I will explain it in next video, which is here. Because without a license, data is not truly open. A license tells anyone that they can access, use, and share your data. Unless you have a license, data may be publicly available, but users will not have permission to access, use, and share it under copyright or databases laws. Open license is a license which allows others to reuse another's creator's work as they wish. Without a special license, these uses are normally prohibited by copyright, patent, or commercial license. Most free licenses are worldwide and royalty-free, non-exclusive. There are many benefits for this open data licensing. Licensing gives permission to business, startups, governments, and individuals to innovate with open data. Open data licenses enable experimentations, explorations, and innovations. The uses of open data in new products and services. For example, we have this London transport data, which is openly licensed, and you can find in web. It has underpinned a wide range of public transport journey planners available as apps on smartphones and mobile devices. Choosing the right format helps ensure that data can be simply managed and reused. And for maximizing this reuse of data, it may be necessary for a publisher to use a number of formats and structures available across different platforms to suit users' needs. The most usable formats for data is likely to be one in which the dataset was first created. For example, in many cases, Microsoft Excel format. While such programs often have the ability to export data in many formats, change the format, their popularity can make publishing in a different format a barrier to reuse by others. Using open data as a way for staff to access information inside an organization has many benefits. For example, it increases knowledge of open data within the team. It increases sustainability and trust in the data by making it a key component of the organization's operations, and also it can create clear opportunities for innovations. For open data to be as accessible as possible, it must be in a format that users can understand it, a format that machines can read, in a format that supports the data's easy reuse, and also in a format that doesn't require expensive tools to access. The format appropriate for each dataset may be different. A document, for example, like a PDF, may make the data easy for a human to understand, but not the most readable thing for a machine, for example. And for this reason, accessibility is often achieved by making the same data available in a range of different formats. For example, some formats for experts, a format for a machine, a format for, I don't know, showing online, and it is based on what we need. In the next video, we'll talk about opportunities that open data makes for us, for example, for governments and so many other organizations. So we'll see you on third video.